Peachfork is a family-owned business which is proud of its well-settled roots, so its visual identity needs to reflect this aspect. Hi everyone, today I will be going over the trade show package that I sent over, explaining the designs and also how they will bring customers to your brand. The overall design is based on a bright and natural color scheme with a green, orange, pink, and dark brown to stand against the color of the brown paper. This brown paper is what everything will be printed on. It is recycled, sturdy, and also adds a natural feeling to the design. Each item will have a unique illustration that are based off of colored pencil illustrations. This and the brown type will be repeated throughout the design to create a cohesive visual identity and bring in some brand recognition. Now the updated logo fixes some issues with the previous logo while also introducing the brand voice. The previous logo was made in a style that worked at a larger scale but lost readability at a smaller scale. The new updated logo is meant to fix this issue as it is scalable and can be read at both scales. The logo is also made from two different styles to represent Peachfork. The first style is a serif typeface that is modified with natural themes and alludes to the family-owned aspect of the business. The second style is based off of formal script lettering. This style is meant to reference grapevines and to show Peachfork's specialization in quality wines. Starting with the trade show booth, this is the grandest part of the brand voice when going into the trade show. It is a place to bring in potential customers to talk about your product and also will create a better brand voice. Now, the entire booth is created with natural themes, especially shown through the wooden textures on the walls and the supports of the booth. The open front is meant to entice people in and to show off Peachfork's products, which is especially important since the booth will be situated between two others. The business card is probably the item you will be handing out the most and will be easily accessible throughout the booth for people to take one as they come and go. The placement of the text with the illustrations is meant to catch the eye, especially important for people who would be moving through the booth quickly. The takeaway item is meant to bring people into the story of Peachfork by showing the work that farmers do and also how life is at the orchards. The inside is designed with a timeline illustration that shows off the 4 stages that peach trees go through when growing their fruit, from the dormant stage to the harvest. The outside details some of the conservation efforts taken by Peachfork and shows that their lands create great quality fruit through the bright and lively illustration. The sales sheet is the most important item that you will bring with you to the trade show since it has all of your available product, including the fruits and the wines. Each item will be shown off through a picture and its respective barcode right next to unit and case specifications. It is important to place these two next to each other so that people can read through them quickly and so their eyes can move back and forth easily. The sales sheet is decorated with illustrations of peach blossoms, which ties into the rest of the visual identity, but is low enough in the hierarchy so that the information stands out amongst them, which is especially important for a functional document like this. The freebie item will be a small jar of jam, created from Peachfork's peaches. We can provide a healthy snack for the people at the trade show while also taking this as an opportunity to show off the quality of the fruit. To hand out all of these items, and to create conversations, we will need to drive traffic to the booth, which is best done through an e-blast. This e-blast will be sent out to the people of the trade show, inviting them to a peach picking event at your booth. How that will work is that fake trees will be brought into the booth and will have notches on them to hang packaged fruit from. People would be able to take this pre-packaged fruit off of the notch and try the Peachfork's products. Each item will be designed with visually similar elements so as to tie the entire design together. This will create a brand voice and will also be important so that people can pick out one item and tie it back to your brand. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching, and please contact me with any questions that you have.